Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Telegram connecting problem. If you're using Telegram and your Telegram has been stuck on connecting, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, it might be a network issue which can be easily fixed by fixing your network. So you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of your VPN, because your VPN slow down your networks. Just go to settings, go to general, go to VPN advice management, and you have to make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, go back, go to date and time, and enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back, go to software update. You can try to update your software, or you can also try to update your apps. So go to App Store here, just go to search and search for Telegram. You just have to make sure that your Telegram app is up to date. There's no pending updates for your app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, but if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to make sure that TikTok and your Telegram is not banned or blocked in your server. So just go for browser, and here you have to simply search for is Telegram available, and after that you have to enter your country name. So if you might see that Telegram is not available in your country or in your region, so you can try to go back and simply go to your app store or the Play Store. Here simply search for VPN and just install a third party VPN from here. You can easily install anyone. I'm using this one on my iPhone here. Once you've installed, just try to connect with your VPN, and after connecting you have to retry. Or if you might see that Telegram is available your country or your region, but you're still facing the same issue. Open your settings app, go for general, go for item storage, just tap on the search option and search for Telegram. And you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete your apps in case of offloading or deleting. If there will be any bug or any malware with your Telegram app, it will be fixed in this step, so you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.